guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited about this one because I actually did tree braids in my hair, but I got the color black. Well, not black, you know, it's like a 1B, 1-ish color, but it matches my hair perfectly. And I always do blowing. Y'all know y'all see me with the blowing braids and stuff on my channel, but look at this. I'm so excited. And I also use kinky coily hair, not what I usually use, the deep twist. I usually use deep twist, not that this time. And it's sponsored by HOTBRAIDS. They definitely sent me some bundles and I'm excited about it. I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion. So keep on watching so y'all can see how I did my tree braids with this kinky coily human hair. Human hair, y'all, human hair. Keep on watching, I'm excited. Hey everybody, so HOTBRAIDS sent your girl some goodies, some hair. So see what's in here, and I'm gonna be doing some tree braids. So they sent me 3 bundles of the exotic kinky coily hair. It's human hair, so I'm excited about that. And it's in 22 inches, so we're gonna see what we got. Oh, that's cool. So we have some headbands, black and white, that's nice. Some combs, nice little edge brush. I think I'm gonna like this. Edge brush. Oh yeah, nice edge brush. The hair. So let's see. Spray bottle, okay. Water bottle. Bag, HOTBRAIDS bag. Okay, carrying bag. I like that little tote bag. The hair. Okay. So this is how the bundles of hair come. And as you can see here, they give you really full bundles. They are completely full. They ain't leave no hair out. So now I'm getting started on my hair, and I started in the back of my hair. I usually tend to start in the back of my hair because I feel like it makes it easier to get the hard part out the way. And I did medium size parts, or some may consider them medium size parts. And I want to show you guys how I get the hair together, prepare the hair out of the bundle. So I take about this much of hair and I divide it into 2 pieces. And then I basically combine them together as you see how I'm placing them here. Then I'm going to take some Shine Jam, just a little bit. And basically that's going to mold the hair and make it stay together. And I'm doing it this way because I'm able to easily place it on my hair rack, and also because it's going to make it super easier for me to grip the hair and hold the hair while I am doing my tree braids. So as you see here, I'm starting one of the tree braids, and it's really easy to do, you guys. I started off doing a box braid. I didn't do knotless, but you can do knotless with this hairstyle as well. I just decided to do box braid because it was easier and also took less time. You know, when you feed in hair with the knotless braids, it takes extra time. And what you see me doing here is separating some of the curl hair so I can leave it out of the plait, and that's what's going to give that tree braid look when you have the hair, the curl hair that sticks out from the plait. This one that I'm showing you guys, I only took 1 piece of hair out, but throughout my head I did take 2 pieces of curly hair out of the plait. So after I take all the hair that I want to take out from the plait, I just continue to plait all the way down into my hair ends, a little bit past where my hair ends, and then I seal the plait so that it doesn't come out. So I wind up sealing the plait using some nail glue, but you'll eventually see that I stop using the nail glue once I get up to the top of my head. And I did this because with this hair, I noticed that once you plait it, because of the kinky texture of the hair, it does not unravel the plait. So that was really helpful, just placing a little bit of the nail glue that you see here, and that's how I sealed this plait. And just showing you guys my progression. This is all of the back completed. Looks really nice and neat. And here's another update of me having only just the remaining top portion of my hair left, the top middle portion. So we have a few braids left, and I'm going to show you guys again how I do the tree braids with a closer look. Again, you start off with the box braid at the root, and then you just take the pieces of hair out that you want. This one, again, I only took out 1 piece of curly hair, but I tell you, I really did take out 2 pieces on all the other ones. Just crazily, the two plaits that I'm showing you guys so far in the video only took out one piece of hair, but you still get to see how you can take the hair out of the plait, put it to the side, and plait the plait all the way down until your real hair ends. Again, stop a little bit past where your real hair ends. But you can see here, I did not use any glue. I just used a little bit of the Shine Jam, and I'm moussing down all the curls. I do mousse down all of my curls as I go along because I don't want to wait till the end and have to mousse all the hair. You can do that, but it just makes the process go a little faster for me. And I just love it. When I'm done at the end, I don't have to do anything extra. If I want to trim something, that's fine, but I don't have to do all the mousse and all that stuff because it's already been done. And here you can see how I am parting my hair. Again, I'm just doing nice, quick, neat parts, but I'm not focusing too much on the actual parting because it wound up turning out super neat the way I did it. And I'll explain that a little bit later in the video. Again, I want to show you guys how I mold the hair and get it situated so that I can put it on my hair rack. So here's another quick look at how I do it. Super duper simple and easy. And the hair rack that you see me using here, it is a stand-up hair rack. It's adjustable. You can adjust the height. I will link it in the description box because it's super useful and you guys always ask me about it. I did get it off of Amazon. So this is the last tree braid I'm going to show you guys, and this one I actually did take out two pieces of the curly hair. So if you want to look at that, definitely pay attention. If you're done looking at how I do this and you want to see the ending result, just go ahead and fast forward and you can see my ending results. But this one, you guys, I do show you how I remove two pieces of the curly hair out the plait, and you get to see how it looks in the end with having two pieces of curly hair coming out of the plait. And you can actually remove more than two pieces if you like. It's all up to your own preference. So this is my second piece. You see me here pulling aside, and then now that I'm all complete, I have my three pieces of hair left. I'm going to plait them all the way down and so a little bit past where my real hair ends, and I'm going to seal in the plait, and I'll be all done with that plait. It's really, really easy. You don't have to be a perfect plaiter when you do this type of hairstyle because the plait really doesn't show because the curl covers it. So if you're worried about your plaits not looking neat, this will be the hairstyle for you because the way you plait the hair, it does not even matter how it looks because no one's going to really see your plait. So just keep that in mind if you're wondering if this is something that you'll be able to do on your own. Okay, everybody, so I got my last one in, and oh my gosh, this hair is so nice. It's so full, and this kinky curl is just so amazing. Look how that looks, so natural, and it's so full. I love it. So we can style these in many different ways. We can pull them up. And also what I want to also mention is because I did the box braid method, usually with the box braids, you can't really move them too much because it hurts. These do not hurt at all the way that I did these with the box braid method. You can also do the knotless braid method with these, but I absolutely am obsessed with how it looks, even with this to the side. I'm just playing with it to see, you know, because I haven't had this curl before, how much I like it. And yeah, yes. So this hair, you guys, it is their exotic kinky coily hair, and it's human hair, which I absolutely love. The other tree braids that I did was with synthetic hair, so you do have to do a lot of maintenance with those, extra maintenance. With this one, you can just wet it. You can use the actual water bottle that they sent to, you know, wet the hair, and then you can apply some mousse to it, and that will actually soften the hair and keep the curls. I can rub my hands through this hair. You see that? No tangles at all. So I'm going to be obsessed with this hair, and I'm already obsessed. I absolutely love it. It feels really, really good. Let me do a free hairstyle to show you guys how this hair can look. First of all, this little bun situation is super cute. Put a hairband on with it. So I just want to get into this curl pattern a little bit. It's so nice. Like, you can use this hair for like crochet hair as well, but I decided to do tree braids with it because if you follow my channel, you know I'm obsessed with tree braids, and I haven't never had the black, or you know, the dark 1 or 1B color, the black color basically. I'm always say some type of blonde or something, but these, I like them a lot, and I really like the up, like what I can do with the up style. So I'm sorry, I just can't stop touching it. But these are very nice. I love that it's human hair. Again, my first time using human hairs to do tree braids, and I love the kinky curl. I was a little scared because I never did it before, but you know what? You never know until you try it, and I tried it and I love it. So definitely want to share with you guys. And Hot Braids, they have some really good hair. I'm really happy they sent me this hair and did the collaboration, because again, I was, you know, wasn't too sure about the type of curl because I haven't did it before. I usually use like a deep wave, but this kinky coily hair, it's so nice and it's easy to work with and separate. Everything was just perfect. I have no complaints at all. So I thoroughly recommend this hair, and if you think you want to try it, I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. And you can see on these, I have 2 curls that I took for 1 braid. So in the back, I think I did 1, and then every other one I kind of did, maybe just left 1 curl out. But because I wanted full, I noticed that I wanted it fuller, so I definitely, the majority of my hair, I have 2 pieces out. And if you want even more filler, you can, you know, take even more pieces out of the braid, which the more pieces that you leave out of the plait, the less you'll see the plait, if that makes sense, because it'll be just covered with curls. So, and that's really cute as well. So I decided to put it all up to see how it looks, and I'm obsessed. Now clearly you don't have to leave these out, you can put them up as well, but I just wanted some extra. I probably like take one like in the back suit just to have it like a little hanging ordeal. But look at my ponytail, it's so full and soft. I love how soft this hair is. Okay, so this hair can be trimmed. It could be, if you want it, you know, have a certain look, if you want to do a bob with it, you can absolutely, you know, trim and cut this hair. I haven't did any shaping to the hair because so far I like it how it is, but you know, as I wear the hair, I'll probably do some trimming, some shaping to it, especially when I wear it down, because I like to be nicely shaped to my face. But I absolutely am obsessed with this hair, and I love this size parting that I did. You can really get a good look in the back of the size parts I did. And the way that I parted my hair was super easy. I literally just parted as I went. I didn't do roll parts. So I'll do a box, and the next box I do, I just make sure I match it, and it's the same size box basically. And that's just how I did it. And that's basically how I've been doing my tree braids and stuff like that for the past few times I did it, because it takes a lot of time when you're trying to do such precise parting. As long as it looks neat, them lines is neat, I'm good and I can accept it. So we got another one, y'all, another one. And then you can do cute buns with this as well. Yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna play with this hair like crazy. Okay guys, so I thank y'all for watching. I'm very pleased with this hair. Hot Braids, definitely thank you again for sponsoring your girl and sending me the hair. This human hair feels amazing. I love the density of it. So it's just perfect. It really is. Everything that I use will be in the description box, especially this hair. Everything will be there for you guys. Any questions, anything I didn't answer in the video, just put them in the comments. I'll reply and answer them for you. You guys, I am obsessed with this one, and I know I'm gonna run this one back. Don't get tired of me over the tree braids, but I told y'all, anytime I do something new, I learn something new, I gotta share it with y'all, especially when I really like it. And it's the first time I did human hair, so I had to share it with y'all, like for real. I'm not no gatekeeper, you know? But this is really nice, and I love the size parts I use. Look, I can go on and on about this hairstyle, but it worked out perfectly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, y'all. I appreciate all the love, and definitely hit the like button because you two be caring about that type of stuff. So I appreciate y'all. Like and subscribe, like and subscribe.
Hold up, pause, yeah.